Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. Last video of the year. Two major events in the last couple of days. And first of all, Merry Christmas and almost Happy New Year. I hope you're having your holidays great. So let's start with the events to see what do we have right before New Year. Finally, we got a Brexit deal. It's going to be very interesting here. This is gonna start at least very interesting because you know how long we've been waiting for this deal to see how is there gonna be a deal or not. So this is definitely big event. Due to new stimulus that was voted a couple of days ago, United States stimulus bill, we see the American market going up like crazy. American indices and stocks and shares, respectively speaking, going up. This is, as we already discussed, is giving a lot of room to the Federal Reserve to print more money. And you know what's going on when they print money. You know what's going on with the US dollar. So what do we have on the economic calendar? Monday and Tuesday, actually nothing. Wednesday, we have pending home sales 3 p.m. GMT for US and crude oil inventories 3:30 p.m. Thursday, just one event we have, jobless claims in United States 1:30 p.m. and this is how we are going to finish the week. It's a market holiday almost around everywhere around the world. Friday is exactly the same. New Year's Day, New Year's Eve. So the markets are not probably gonna be volatile at all. So this is from the economic calendar. Quickly, we're gonna check the charts to see what do we got. Euro US dollar is pushing up. Dollar is still declining, as we mentioned a minute ago, because of the stimulus bill in US. So dollar is declining and pushing the majors going up. Trade be cautious. I would say buying the majors right now is definitely kind of risky, even though the growth is pretty good. So your US dollar is heading to the upside. As you can see, find some support around 1.2160 and heading to 1.2271. For now, I'm not gonna keep any support and resistance levels. I'm not gonna put any new support and resistance levels. I'm just gonna wait for New Year. Great British Pound, despite the deal that we got, we saw push the last couple of days, but after that this one dropped down. It erased actually almost all of this profits for the last couple of days for just one day. 130 pips drop. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's very interesting, but on top of that, the Brexit deal was major announcement, so we definitely can see GBP going up. Combined with the weakness of the United States dollar, this could be a very good call. Staying right now on the support 1.3480, and I'm gonna wait to see how it's gonna react. As you can see, it's even started creating a range between these two boundaries here, so I'm not gonna be surprised if I see the GBP pushing to 1.3312 around this level, 12.3265. So careful if you're planning to buy Great British Pound as well. Australia and US, again I'm gonna mention that Australia and New Zealand are countries with pretty few COVID cases, so combined with the weak dollar, this is the result. Almost no recovery, as you can see, no corrections at all. We got some here because we got the same decline on the American indices, 150 pips on the Australian, but recovered pretty quick, and of course stay stable. 0.75, 94, pretty close to 0.76. This could be a resistance level of the Australian dollar. I would wait a little bit again to see what's gonna happen. Anyway, tomorrow we have almost the only data about pending home sales and crude oil inventories, and this could bring us a little bit more volatility, but nothing major on the market until the beginning of new year. New Zealand dollar, as you can see, kind of similar chart, almost no corrections, one here, and New Zealand recovered to the upside very quickly. I would wait, it's staying right between the support and the resistance, 0.7170, 0.70, so it's pretty dangerous to take any trades right now. crude is still holding the highs. Yesterday we saw drop to the downside to $1.37 during the day, dollars per barrel, and right now it's staying on $48. Crude is going to wait for the inventories to see how it's going to react, but uh, again, I'm going to repeat myself. US dollar weakness is pushing the crude oil going up. I don't believe there is a very big demand for crude oil right now and recently, so crude could hold these highs for a while, and then we can see big correction. USD Canadian, respectively speaking, is going down. It's pretty normal, considering the events happened the last couple of days. USDCAD, as you can see, is still keeping its long-term downtrend and heading to reach the new support 0.2688, which is 130 pips away from the lows, and definitely would say the USD Canadian is positioned very nicely right now for short opportunities. USD Swiss kind of similar. USD Swiss in a very long-term downtrend, slight correction to the upside. The current price 0.8871, staying right after the correction and heading to the new lows 0.8820 and even further down most probably. And USD Japan, one of my favorites, but not performing very well for the last couple of days. USD Japan in a very long downtrend. It's testing 103.67, and it seems stuck between these two boundaries, 103.67 and 103.18. So right now we still can say it's a kind of triangle formation here on the bottom. So very crucial for the USD Japan is to break out 103.18, sorry, in order to continue further down. So thank you very much for watching, guys. A little bit short today. Anyway, we don't have a lot of events. Um, I wish you Merry Christmas, of course. Happy New Year. Unfortunately, in this COVID situation, we are kind of limited of having party, but uh, still, Happy New Year. Everything, a lot of health, of course, good health. This is the most important. Everything else is achievable. If you want to reach me, you know how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course. Share and like us on the social medias. Thumbs up for this video, and expect my new video after New Year. Bye bye for now.